Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make these stylish and simple pearl box earrings. Let's take a look at the materials. 8mm beagle beads, 10mm pearl beads, earrings hook, jump ring, nylon thread. First, pick up 4 bugle beads on your nylon thread, bring them to the center, then take the other end of the thread and pass it through the fourth to last bugle bead to create your first box. By the way, this next step is completely optional, but you can tie a small knot on each section of the box as you go. This helps keep the bugle beads securely in place, making the structure much sturdier and keeping the shape perfect. String 2 bugle beads onto one end of your nylon thread and 1 bugle bead onto the other. Then, take the other end of the thread and pass it through the first bugle bead in a crisscross motion to complete the second box. For an extra secure finish, you can add a small knot to each box as you go. Repeat that same process by stringing 2 bugle beads on one side and 1 on the other, passing the thread through the upper bead in a crisscross motion to complete the third box. Add 1 bugle bead to one side of the thread, fold the 3 boxes into a square shape, and pass the thread through the upper bugle beads of the starting bead to secure the structure. Place a pearl bead in the center, add 1 more bugle bead and pass the thread through the upper bugle beads to secure the structure. Pull the thread tight to complete the stunning pearl box design. Tie a secure knot on both ends of your nylon thread and trim off any excess. Attach a jump ring to your completed pearl box and hook, secure it tightly, and your earring is ready. These are so stylish and easy to wear. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow along for more. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll be sure to reply. And see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.